Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Elearn, Learning Made Easy. In today's session, I am going to explain about what is the main role and responsibilities of Scrum Master in Agile Scrum. Let's get started. By end of this session, one can get an understanding on the main role and responsibilities of Scrum Master in Agile Scrum methodology. What is the main role of Scrum Master in Agile Scrum? He acts as a servant leader and coaches for an Agile team. He helps educate the team in Scrum, ensuring that the agreed Agile process is being followed. What are the responsibilities of Scrum Master? He is responsible for promoting and supporting the Scrum. He does this by helping everyone understand the Scrum theory, practices, rules, and values. He also helps the Scrum team to understand which of the instructions are helpful to the Scrum team and which of them are not. He helps everyone to change these interactions to maximize value that is created by the team. What are his services to the product owner? Scrum Master helps the product owner in several ways, which includes he helps to find techniques for effectively managing the product backlog. Also, he helps the Scrum team to understand about precise and clear product backlog items. Also, he helps the product owner to find the techniques for effectively managing the product backlog, which I already explained. He also facilitates planning and helps product owners understand and adhere to the Scrum techniques and practices. He helps the product owner to arrange backlog items in an order to maximize the value. He helps understanding and learning about the agility. Also, he helps to facilitate Scrum events as needed or requested. Let us try to understand about his service to the development team. The Scrum Master serves the development team in various ways, which include he helps the development team in self-organizing about cross-functionality. He helps to remove the impediments in development team's progress. He helps in facilitating the Scrum events as requested or needed. He helps to create high-value products, thus helping them in the organization environment where the Scrum is not yet fully adopted or understood. What is his service to the organization? The Scrum Master serves the organization in several ways, which include leading and supporting in Scrum adoption. He helps planning Scrum implementations within the organizations. He helps stakeholders and employees to understand empirical product development in the next Scrum. Helps in posing those changes that improves productivity of the Scrum team. Also, he worked with other Scrum Masters to improve effectiveness of Scrum in the organization. A quick overview of today's session can be summarized as follows. Thus, as a Scrum Master, he acts as a servant leader for the Scrum team. He facilitates Scrum events. He helps the product owner to manage product backlog, also interact with the Scrum team. He helps remove the impediments for the Scrum team and helps them self-manage. Also, he makes sure everyone is using the Scrum correctly. That's it for today's session. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.